Here's how to reset the IDM trial period using the Registry editor. Before doing anything in the Registry editor, create a backup. Open Registry editor by searching for it in the Start menu, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Go to File, then Export, name it something like Registry Backup and save it somewhere safe. If anything goes wrong, you can restore it by going to File, then Import. Once inside, navigate to HKey Users. Expand it and scroll down looking for a key ending in _classes. Expand that. Inside, scroll down and find WOW6432 node and expand it. Then expand CLSID. Look for a folder starting with 079AC3. At the end, it will end in C7. Right-click that folder and select Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Close the Registry editor completely and restart your PC. After rebooting, open IDM and the 30-day trial period will be reset as if it is a fresh installation. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.